Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the dreaded error code P08 on your Canon PIXMA printer, you're in the right place. This error is a common issue that can pop up in 2025 models, just like in previous years, and it usually signals a problem with paper feeding or ink delivery. Don't worry. I'm here to break it down for you step by step, so you can get your printer up and running in no time. First, let's talk about what error code P08 actually means. In Canon PIXMA printers, this code typically indicates a paper jam or an issue with the paper feed mechanism. It could also point to problems with the ink cartridges or even a sensor malfunction. The good news is that it's often fixable at home without needing a technician. Now, what causes this error? The most common culprits include actual paper jam inside the printer, where sheets get stuck in the rollers. Another frequent cause is low or improperly installed ink cartridges, which can trigger the error if the printer detects an issue with ink flow. Dust and debris buildup in the paper path is also a big factor, especially if you haven't cleaned your printer in a while. In some 2025 models, software glitches from outdated firmware might exacerbate the problem, so always ensure your printer's software is up to date. Alright, let's get to the solutions. Start by turning off your printer and unplugging it from the power source. Wait about a minute, then open the printer cover and carefully remove any jammed paper. Use a flashlight if needed to check for stuck bits. Next, inspect your ink cartridges, make sure they're securely seated and not empty. If they are, replace them with genuine Canon ones to avoid compatibility issues. Once that's done, clean the rollers and paper feed area with a soft, lint-free cloth. For software-related fixes, download the latest drivers from Canon's official website and reinstall them on your computer. If the error persists, it might be a hardware issue, like a faulty sensor. In that case, consider contacting Canon support or taking it to a repair shop. Remember, always handle your printer gently to prevent future errors. There you have it. Simple steps to tackle error code P08. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.